Welcome back to Big Ol' Bill's Barbecue. Today we're using the HotShot. I invited some of my family members over. As you can see, they got that nice beautiful doggy in the background. We're gonna make up some burgers on the HotShot grill today. A couple burgers, have some nice meals. Look at those flames roaring. This thing is amazing for cooking. After just a short period of time, we're ready to flip these burgers already. The heat off this thing is amazing. They have that nice char on them from that flame. It's exactly what you want in a nice campfire grill. We're keeping these burgers off the flames until we want that nice char on the outside so they don't get too charred up. When we want to get that nice crispy outside, we put them right on top of that flame there. As a fun little tidbit, you can see that Nunavut flag in the background. We actually filmed this on Nunavut Day, which is July 9th. Me and my fiance are moving to Nunavut to teach for a year. So we had a nice little party and we got the flag going. It was an amazing day. So we've got one burger already done. We've moved it away from the heat. We're gonna take a second one now, flip it, move it back over here away from the heat as well. And we'll be ready to put it on some buns in just a second. We've got some brioche buns with some American cheese. Put them up. We're going to do one single and one double. These things will be unreal coming off the HotShot. And just like that, they're done. Let's get a closer look. Man, those look good. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with what we do each week. We'll see you next week.